NOLA. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again, honey. And yes, as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing a how I do my nude look, my nude lips. Okay, I was doing my makeup and I was like, you know what? Let me do my nude lips that you guys love so much. A lot of people ask me, what kind of lipstick is that? And it's like, I can't give them one straight answer because it's a lot of product. It's a lot of product. So I don't know who invented this. I believe it was invented like way before us, like way back before we were born. Okay, the whole ombre look, I think it accentuates your lips. It just makes you look like, how you doing? Not like Wendy, but like it just makes your lips look so much plumper, and it's just a cute look. And I've noticed that I used to be a person who loved all types of color lipsticks, and I still am, but the older I get, the more classy I like my lips to just my nude 3 combo lip, and that's it. One and done. Before we begin, don't forget to check out my other videos, guys. I did my nails myself. Go check that video out. Go check out this hair video. I have so many videos for you guys to go check. Go check out my other makeup videos, stuff like that. If you want to know about these contacts, definitely click the link down below. It should be up maybe before this, after, I don't know. I like to use my lip scrub. Okay, you can get a lip scrub from anywhere. This is from NBA Cosmetics. Lip scrubs are good for the lips because it exfoliates your lips. So if your lips are dry and pooky looking from New Jack City, that's not cute, okay? So you just want to put some lip scrub on prior to you doing your lips. Okay. And you just rub it together. You can either wipe it off or lick it off. I usually lick it off because, hello. It's been a minute since I've spoken to you guys like this. I always do voiceovers. And I'm like, no, you guys deserve to see my face in this hair. Okay? They're ready. So, what I like to do is, you guys can honestly start off with a lip liner. Okay, you guys can do a lip liner, or you can do lipsticks. So sometimes people don't have lip liners or the perfect lip liner. I used to use this one lip liner from the beauty supply store, but I don't have it anymore. So I like to use dark color brownish lipsticks to outline. So this is the brown that I used to use this one, but then I went ahead and bought this one earlier this year. This one is mocha. So I love all the lipsticks from Color Ring. That is my store. Okay, that is my store. They need to just go ahead and sponsor your girl already. Okay, this one is whatever. Okay, so this one is like a nice, I might as well do some swatches for you guys. This one is like a nice chocolate brown. So you can use this one if you want to. I'm not gonna use this one today. I think I'm just gonna use mocha. Mocha is the go. Okay, mocha is popping. So this is mocha. As you can see, mocha is more rich, more darker, more popping. Okay, we're gonna go with the more popping. So I like to just outline my lips, okay? Some people might be like, it's not how you do it, but this is how I do it, okay? So you just wanna outline the bottom and the top. So you don't wanna overdo it. This is how I do it. Go over their, like go above their lip line, and I do sometimes, but not extreme to where it's so noticeable and it looks crazy. Like, I don't want chola lips, okay? Comes to the middle, it all depends on my mood. Yeah, it all depends on my mood. So these are my colors that I have to create the nude ombre effect. So yeah, these are the colors. I'm gonna go with the first one. This one is Debut, like my debut album. And honestly guys, I got all of these for like $5 because they had a sale. Like, you want to make sure you catch sales when it comes to coloring, because they always have sales. So that one is more of it looks like a grayish latte, like an iced latte color. Okay, so that one is that one. That one is Debut. The next one I like is Brown Sugar. So more of a mauvey brown. So that one is Brown Sugar. This one is Suede. Suede is definitely like a iced latte with caramel a little bit. Okay, and then the last one that I like to use is the Sugar. This one is Sugar. As you can see, it's a nude mauvey color, mauvey pink color. So these are the colors, all from coloring. I used to wear a lot back in 2018, so I'm not gonna show out my lip glosses. These lip glosses are from the Gloss Co. But today we're not gonna do a gloss, we're just gonna do nude so you guys can kind of see Debut. And we're just gonna put that in the middle. And then we are going to smack our lips together. To kind of get it in there, you know? And to lighten it up, I like to Suede. And there you have it. Okay, that's how I like to achieve my quick and easy nude lip combo. So again, I do like to sometimes wear my lip gloss with it, but today I don't want to wear any lip gloss. I don't want to wear any lip gloss, so I'm not gonna put any lip gloss on. But if I wanted to, I would wear this lip gloss or wear any kind of nude lip gloss. You can wear some nude lip gloss like this. Or you can do even clear, like a clear, this is a clearish pink, or you do clear, or this is a pretty brown as well. Just rotate, you know. So honestly, you can do this lip combo with any color lipstick you want. This is just the lipstick I like to use. Okay, and if you want it brighter, you can add more products. You can. Perfect. These are the colors I like to use. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up and let me know what you think about this lippy. And yeah, you guys asked, I delivered. Boom. And cuts. Okay? Don't forget to love yourself first. Keep it glamming. Glam.Nefercent signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye.